Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making grilled cheese. Not those fancy kinds, just the most simple, basic, effective ways to make grilled cheese. You know exactly what I'm talking about if you ever watched another cooking YouTube videos. This one is kind of different because ain't nobody got time for that. We gotta spend our time more wisely on each episode and each game we could play, right? We can't finish a goddamn season of anime if we spent 20 hours trying to make one grilled cheese. And all the time we wasted, we could be grinding for a higher elo. So this video here is made for my brothers and sisters out there who are too busy to make the gourmet grilled cheese that other YouTubers bring them. How do you expect cultured individuals like us to get out of our chairs and make those gourmet food? Our people are out here surviving on instant noodles and white bread. So all the ingredients that you guys put on your videos are rarely going to be made in everyday household scenarios. Realistically, who can just go out and buy $200 worth of beef if you live by yourself? Or fresh cheese milked straight from the cow? That's just too much to ask for in 2021. But that doesn't stop us from making good food. If you want to be fancy, slap on a piece of salami. If you want to be fancier than that, you can slap on 2 pieces. No one's gonna judge. Now you got yourself a deluxe grilled cheese made in seconds. Thank me later. See ya.